So I've had a couple of questions as to how much this model can lift. I have to be honest, this would not be a model I would choose to lift stuff because it has 3 motors going clockwise and 2 going anti, but we'll give it a go. So the first thing we'll do is see how much it weighs. This is full weight, so it has the battery in as well. And we are looking at 1216 grams, 1.2 kilograms. So what I'm then going to try is I have a weight, and that is, well, 1 kilogram. So we're going to strap that to the bottom and see if it flies. Right, so let's give it a go. So that's a yes, it can lift 1 kilogram. Wonder how much it can lift though. Should we try more? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to try a bit more. We've found a lead weight. This is nearly 1.5 kilograms. Can you put it on scales for us? So 1474. Now we're going to try that. Okay, so this is 1.5 kilograms. I think this might be pushing it. So it did lift 1.5 kilograms, but we ran out of power on the motor and it started to drift away. The motors need a little extra to be able to level itself off. If one side starts dropping, then you need to increase the power on it. If you're nearly at 100% power anyway, then you lose control. So I'd say it can easily lift 1 kilogram, but that's going to hammer the batteries. And if you go much more, then you're going to be struggling.